Today I will be doing my everyday makeup routine. First, I start off by getting these 2 clips and clipping my hair. I have my coffee. It's gonna be a fast one. 5-minute makeup because my sister is on the way and it only will take her 5 minutes to get here. So I'm gonna start off with primer. Like I said, this is gonna be a fast one. Usually I would color correct, but since she's literally down the street, I'm gonna use this. So I just dab it on my fingers and yeah, anywhere, everywhere. Then I use this e.l.f. beauty blender. You can get it for like, I think $4 or $6, I don't know, they keep raising the price, but it works as good as a beauty blender in my opinion. I'm not a makeup artist. This is just what I do for my everyday makeup. Well, every time I do my makeup. So I'm gonna go in with this concealer and I'm gonna put this under my eye like this. Really no technique. Rush. Being in a rush is the technique. Put that in. Beauty blender. Okay. So once that's blended in, you are ready to contour your face. Well, I am ready. Lips. No. Oh. It's kind of darker. It is what it is, I guess. Blend this in, like I just blend like this. And like this. And check her location. And my gosh. She's like literally down the street. Oh my gosh, she's almost here. So everything is blended in. Open your setting palette. Spun translucent, and I'm using this Morphe brush. I just like tap it in there. I take off the top and I do my under eyes first. Do you want to come in? I'm almost done with my makeup. LOL. Yeah, almost done. Halfway there. You just need the bronzer and blush and my eyebrows and eyeshadow and eyeliner and eyelashes. In color bronzer. Oh, she said she wants to come in. Okay, and I'll probably do the rest in voiceover. Or not, I don't know. Let me get it right there. Start filming. And then this Becca blush and Songbird. Okay, time to put the blush. With the concealer, I like to put it on my hand as a little palette thing, like an artist palette or whatever. Going back into that Natural Eyes eyeshadow palette, I use this Sexpresso color. So first I fill the bottom of my eyebrow, and then I just fill it upwards. And then I'll do the top eyebrow line and then fill it downward. And then I'll do that to both of my eyebrows, making sure that I have the shape that I want. I just use the angled brush with the spoolie thing at the end, and then I use the spoolie end to blend my inner eyebrow. Go in with the concealer to clean it up, using that concealer that we placed on my hand, using a flat square brush to like define your eyebrow. The brush that I use is called the M432 Flatliner Definer Eyeliner Brush from Morphe. I blend in that concealer with my finger. And I also go in with the brush again just to get the shape I want or the look I want. And when I'm satisfied, I'm just like, okay. I also enjoy getting ready with a cup of coffee. Wakes me up. Put some concealer on both of my eyelids to act as a eyeshadow primer, and I blend that in with my finger as well with the color Heaven. I think it's a concealer brush, but I just use it for eyeshadow. Go in with this blender brush, this nude color and Cashmere Bunny. I blend both of them together in my crease and kind of like my under eye. I go in with the brush shown on my left to kind of darken the outer corner of my eye to give my eye dimension. And then I'm going to use Push Up using my finger because I think it applies better. And I place that all over my eyelid. I am currently using the Super Precise eyeliner from Essence. And honestly, I wing it. I'm never happy with my wing, but you know, I do my best. Here is the small eyelash curler from MAC. I just like using this because it's easier to pack in my makeup bag. And then I go in with mascara. I use the Maybelline Lash Sensational. I just like how the brush is small. Luxe Silk Lashes Kiss Strip Lash Glue. I like the applicator because it is easy to apply the glue. I think this is my second cup of coffee. As I wait for the glue to dry, I like to multitask. I'm just using the excess highlighter left on my highlighter brush. And then here I am using Strip Down in MAC. This is like my favorite color lip liner. And then I'm applying my lipstick. I forgot to show it here, but it's in the color Spirit. This is the MAC lipstick in Spirit. I just put that on. Once the lash is tacky enough, I will apply them with my hands just because I didn't want to be reliant on like tweezers or something in case like I didn't have them with me. I know this is probably not the best method, but you know, when you're in a rush all the time, you just use your hands. And that's pretty much my makeup routine anytime I do my makeup. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace. Bye. Thanks for watching.